Hey everyone, welcome back to the iMyFone channel. iOS 18 is out now. When you're ready to update your iPhone to iOS 18, you might notice that it's taking a long time to update. If your iPhone is stuck on update requested and you don't know how to fix it, I have solutions. If you're facing the same issue, follow my steps. Before we begin, make sure your internet connection is working. You can check if you're connected to a network with a strong signal by looking at the Wi-Fi icon in the drop-down menu. Method 1. Using cellular data. Of course. If you're in an area with a weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal, using cellular data can help ensure the update downloads successfully. This is something that many people miss out on. You can directly pull down the control center to open cellular data, or you can click on Settings, then find Cellular in the interface and enable it. And then check if you're still stuck on Update Requested. Method 2. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi through Settings or Wi-Fi. Now you can go back to the iOS 18 upgrade page and try updating again. Check if you're still stuck on Update Requested. Method 3. Force Restart iPhone. You can try force restarting the device and then re-download iOS 18. Quickly press the volume up button and the volume down button, then press and hold the right side up and slide to turn off. Then press and hold the button on the right side until the white Apple logo appears on the phone screen. Now you can go back to the iOS 18 upgrade page and try updating again. Check if you're still stuck on Update Requested. Method 4. One-click update iOS 18 with iMyFone Fixppo. If you've tried all the steps above and are still stuck on Update Requested, I recommend using iMyFone Fixppo for a one-click upgrade. It's simple and safe. Let me show you how. Step 1. Download Fixppo from description below. Launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Under the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade tab, choose the Upgrade iOS as you want to get the iOS 18 beta. Step 3. Fixppo will automatically detect your device, once the info shows up. Click the download button to get the iOS 18 beta firmware. Step 4. Click the Start Upgrade iOS button and put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Wait for a few minutes for the software to finish installing the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. When the process is finished, your iPhone will be rebooted and you can see that your iPhone now is in the iOS 18 beta version. Amazing! You don't have to stress about being stuck on Update Requested anymore. Now you can fully enjoy the iOS 18 system. Method 5. Update iOS 18 via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes and then tap the Update option. If an update is available, just click on Update. It should be easy. But usually iTunes will take a long time to download an update and it has low success rate. So I recommend iMyFone Fixppo. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.